Here are my 5 quick wins for website maintenance.
I realised for this video, because I'm about to give you quite a lot of information, I shouldn't be doing it whilst I'm driving my car. So here we go. Here are the 5 tips to improve your website by keeping it regularly maintained. Protecting your corporate image online is very important. With 94% of B2B business being found through Google research, the last thing you want is for people to land on your web page and then find out-of-date links, out-of-date information. Over time, if you don't keep your content up to date, Google will push you down on the search engine results pages and your competitors will get higher. You can see from this screenshot that our blog visitors jumped up by 67% from just under 550 users to 900. That's by regularly posting content every week. Security. If you're using open source platforms like Drupal or WordPress, make sure you keep your patches up to date. Something else you should be aware of is that malware can get into your website, and if Google spots that, they will start blocking your web page completely. Once a month you should be checking your contact forms or your click to call buttons. Imagine if an email is going to a department and all of a sudden that email address has changed and then the leads are not coming through to you. Also, the click to call button, you may have changed your phone number in your business or your department, and that needs to be checked to make sure you're not missing a single lead. Imagine that. They've done all the hard work, they've found you, and then they can't contact you. Check your payment mechanisms. It's so easy for a payment provider to change the way they handle payments, and then your website is out of date and you could be missing valuable orders. The easy way to update it is actually go through the checkout process with a credit card. Or you could use the sandbox solution that a lot of these payment providers have to make sure everything hooks up properly. This is just a few examples of things you could be doing on a regular basis to make sure your website is performing well.
I'm John Pankhurst, the Morning Marketing Man. I have over 20 years of online marketing experience, building successful businesses up to as many as 40,000 unique views per month, all through SEO and PPC. With PPC, paid advertising online, I've spent £125,000 of my own money, and you can learn from my mistakes and improve your online marketing faster than I could ever have done. Please subscribe below to learn more about online marketing and get tips and tricks straight into your inbox.